Hello, my wonderful artists, and welcome to another official Learn at Home Day. Today's focus is collage, and if you're wondering what collage is, it's actually French for the word meaning to glue. It's the artistic process of gluing and assembling various materials together to make a picture. According to today's chart, you have two choices. You could cut or tear magazines, newspapers, and scrap papers to make a landscape. And if you remember, a landscape is a picture of land. Or you could use collage to create a flower or insect using some of those same materials that we just discussed. Magazines, newspapers, or any other items around your house that you may have, such as buttons, pasta, sequins. Many illustrators of children's books use collage to create their pictures. One example of an illustrator who uses collage is Eric Carle. You may recognize his art in books like The Very Hungry Caterpillar, The Grouchy Ladybug, and Brown Bear, Brown Bear. Eric Carle likes to paint, cut, and overlap tissue paper to create his animals and characters. If you wish to see this artist working on an illustration for his book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar, you can see the link in the description below. Collage artist and illustrator Chris Houghton makes a lot of different things, from books to puppets to rugs and even apps for your phone. If you wish to learn more about this illustrator, check out the film at Take Kids to see how he makes his artwork using collage and where he gets his ideas for the art he makes. You'll find that link in the description below the video. These are the supplies you'll need today: cardboard, scraps of paper, scissors, an Elmer's glue bottle or glue stick, and junk mail from your mailbox. Today I decided to create a landscape out of all the paper and scraps that I had. So first I cut out some mountains for my background with newspaper and black construction paper. I then used construction paper to cut out some hills for my middle ground. I also found some plants in one of the magazine ads that I had. I'm gluing all my scraps of paper to a cereal box that I found in my recycling bin. I'm using some of the blue from that cereal box to create my sky. When you're gluing, be careful that you don't use too much glue. Remember, dot, dot, not a lot. Or better yet, if it's a large piece, edge gluing, where you make a line around the outside edge of your piece before gluing it down. Oops, even art teachers make mistakes. I wanted the black mountains against the sun, so I had to take my newspaper mountains off and place them on top of my black. It happens. When you make a mistake, don't give up, just try again. If you don't know how to solve the problem, just brainstorm some ideas with your family. At the end of your art making, don't forget to upload your art to Artsonia and tell me all about how you made your collage. Have fun creating!